What's happening, Ford owners? Mostly Ford Fiesta and Ford Focus owners, some other Ford models as well. If you're already familiar with the transmission issues that some of those models have, and if you have yet to get yours resolved, we just received a letter. We own two Fords actually, but our Ford Fiesta, which we've actually already had the issue resolved by a Ford dealer, but they're just sending blanket form letters out to all owners that might be subject to the transmission issue. So be looking for this in your mail, or you might want to contact your Ford dealer. If you're having problems with your transmission slipping, automatic transmission models mostly, it even tells you about it. I'll just show you a little bit through here. I just wanted to alert you guys that Ford is actually extending the issues to be repaired. Because they had put a limit on the time frame to get this resolved. So first they say what's called the TCM, or Transmission Control Module. They're increasing the warranty coverage to a total of 10 years or 150,000 miles from your warranty start date. So basically when the car was brand new. However, they're extending it even further in this bold paragraph. If your vehicle has already exceeded this time or mileage limits, Ford is offering a one-time replacement of the TCM through June 30th, 2025. Okay, so you need to confirm that the TCM is the issue. It has been a problem on lots of Fiesta and Focus, and I believe some other Ford models. So anyway, I'm just showing you what this letter says. The dealer will need to determine if the TCM needs replacement. Okay, just read through these paragraphs here. Basically, if your vehicle exhibits intermittent loss of transmission engagement while driving, lack of power, or illuminated service engine soon indicator, keep this letter as a reminder of the extended warranty coverage for your TCM. If your time and mileage limitations, if your TCM requires replacement, and your vehicle is within the indicated time and mileage limitations shown above, contact your Ford dealer for the service date, or for a service date. Provide the dealer with your VIN on your vehicle and request a service date for Customer Satisfaction Program 14M02. So that number you need right there. 14M02 is basically the warranty extension number that Ford has assigned to this. Okay, so you'll know it. If your Ford falls under this problem where the transmission starts slipping, after you've been driving it a few miles, and people have told you need to get a brand new transmission, but others have told you just need to get basically the transmission control module replaced. If that's the case, that's what this is for, basically. So, go see your Ford dealer, tell them about this Customer Satisfaction Program number 14M02. Have them look into it, and you very well might get lucky, and Ford will replace this problem for you at no charge to you. Anyway, check out other videos. We have all kinds of stuff on our channel relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, motorcycles, scooters, all kind of stuff, and always adding something new. We got more than 1,600 videos on our channel, so like, subscribe, follow, and maybe you'll find something that'll help you in the future. You'll have a great day. We'll see y'all later.